So plan can be done first by doing the plan scope. So by doing this, what we do here is building very easily a work breakdown structure. By this, we're just deciding if we create it from a WBS template that we already saved, or we actually add node by node, so activity by activity. We just define from which activity this one belongs to, give it a code, a name, and define if it's control account, so meaning that there's a budget associated, or if it's just a work group. Once we put that, yes.
So at this point, could you do this from uploading a Microsoft project plan?
Yes, we got a Microsoft project plugin, so you're able to actually upload from Microsoft project. Yes, Microsoft project will provide you with all the control account here, and it will as well upload from a schedule point of view all the baseline start and finish from your Microsoft project.
Great.
Okay. You'll be able as well to work on your deliverables, so associate deliverables to the different control account activities, code, names, due dates, and this will produce you your WBS like this, okay, in a graphical view. Once you've got that done, you can move on to schedule, so being able to plan your baseline start and finish, and as well plan your milestones, defining category, types, due dates. If you want to get notified some days before it actually materializes, if you want this milestone to be shown on the high-level schedule chart, if it's related to deliverables, and this will make you get your schedule chart like this. Okay, with a baseline of your project, the different baseline of your activities, and the different milestone that you have been putting there. What we got is a very simple Gantt chart features as well. Okay, but as you're using Microsoft Project, then probably you'll keep on using Microsoft Project and you won't use this Gantt feature. The idea here is that we're able to produce these kind of things in order to have linking activities and stuff like this. Okay, it doesn't work too good for very big projects because we are a web application. So when it comes to projects that are more than 100 lines and stuff like this, then it's not really recommended, and it's better you work in combination with Microsoft Project. But for rather smaller project, then you can actually get all your project into Talaia up to having if it's a task or something like this, in order to simulate the way you work with Microsoft Project. And you'll have your baseline, and you're able to have as well your tracking as well into this with the baseline and the track, etc., etc. Okay, and you can work with the graphic as well, so like this. Okay.
Great.
Okay, so back to plan, and it's completely integrated with Talaia. So we've got this. We've got the plan costs. Okay, so 3 ways of doing it. First, with the funding. Okay, so it can be very easy if it's internal project. Usually you get approval and you get one funding of your project and you get the approval. But if you're a commercial organization, then you may see here, for example, how many invoices you've actually agreed with your customers, when and how much, and you get your funding chart. And then you get your plan value. So I guess you're familiar with that as a PMP. So being able to define your follow-up dates, all right, whether from a generic point of view, every week, every day, or every single days, for example, and calculate automatically your plan value for your activity based upon the budget of each activity and the way it is actually scheduled into time. And like this, you get your plan value of your project. Okay. Then you can go on to your cost detail plans. Once again, something very easy. You can have all your expenses, direct costs, reserves, and get your financial chart with your expected project margin.